get into welding?
My mother, I was in prison, and she wanted to put me up on something else, so she seen a Tulsa Welding School commercial while I was in prison at 16. Well, she introduced it to me at 17, but I went to prison at 16.
Okay.
So at 17 years old, she introduced it to me on visitation yard and told me how much money they make. She said, you know, they can make $100 an hour. I've been a welder ever since then.
There you go.
Yeah, for real. She sent me some information, and from like the local library that at that time the internet wasn't out. I went to prison in '96, and so she sent me like encyclopedia stuff, and I was able to get into the program while I was in prison. By the time I turned 21, they had a full welding program. So I took the welding program at 21, and I got out of prison at 26, and I'm about to be 45, and I've been doing it ever since.
Have you? That's cool.
So I got a business edit right now, and I'm doing this and contracting this, and I teach and educate, and then I blog, I told you, on YouTube. So.
Yeah.
But I've been doing it since 17, so since 90, I got introduced in 97.
Nice.
She was trying to save me. She did that though.
Yeah.
And I don't know what I would have did. But that's what got me into it though. Oh. And as you see, it's just simple with these. You ain't got to go all the way out. Just make sure you space them out. And then we got to put that ring. So it's better to go on and tack this up before you put that ring on there, to me. That way you ain't got to be struggling trying to.
Oh, yeah, that would be hard to get into after that.
You see what I'm saying?
Yep.
So.
Gotcha.
Now, I did one thing one time. I built it with the ring on there, and it wasn't bad, but I still had to go back and trim it. So, like how we lined it out then, I'm thinking I should have probably lined it out. But last time I did this, I had to go around and move it, so I probably should have thought about this, because this is going to be a different radius than that.
Oh, I see.
The way it's going. So the cheating, so all we're going to do is just knock it in.
Okay.
Knock it up.
Now, do you like when I hold it, do you like have a little corner, like for a little fillet, or do you just go flush?
I go flush with it. It's fine, because some of them ain't going to go flush. You know what I mean? So it'll be fine. Hold on.